In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in a blank slide in PowerPoint. This is a straightforward process, perfect for beginners or anyone looking to polish their skills in presentation design. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, knowing how to manipulate text on a slide is fundamental. So, let's dive into the steps. To start, open PowerPoint on your device and create a new presentation. If it's your first time, PowerPoint should be located in your Applications folder or pinned to your Start menu. Once you're in PowerPoint, you can start from scratch by selecting the option to create a new presentation. This is your fresh canvas where all the creativity can unfold. Once you have your new presentation open, you'll want to add a blank slide, which provides a clean slate without the default placeholders. To do this, navigate to the Home tab on your toolbar. Find and click on the New Slide button, and from the drop-down menu, select Blank. Choosing a blank slide ensures you're not constrained by predefined text boxes or structures, giving you full control over your layout. Next, you need to insert a text box, which will house your desired content. To accomplish this, switch over to the Insert tab on the menu. Here, look for the text box option, which often sits prominently there. Once you've clicked it, your cursor will change, ready to place a text box on your slide. Click anywhere on your blank slide to drop the text box. It's that easy. Now you're free to start typing the text you want to display. This could be anything from a catchy headline to detailed information or bullet points. Whatever your content requires, just start typing. Once your text is in place, it's time to format it to ensure it fits your presentation's aesthetic. PowerPoint makes this easy with a range of formatting options. In the toolbar, you'll see choices for changing the font, adjusting the size, selecting colors, and deciding on alignment. Take your time to explore these options. Alter the font to match the mood of your presentation. Increase the size for emphasis, or pick a color that enhances readability and visual appeal. The final step is to make sure your text is perfectly positioned and appropriately sized. You can move the text box around simply by clicking and dragging it to your desired location. If it needs resizing, drag the edges of the text box to either expand or minimize it, ensuring your slide looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully added and formatted text on a blank slide in PowerPoint. With these steps, you should feel confident in creating presentations that are not only informative, but also visually appealing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.